If you're seeing Facebook error code 200, don't worry. This usually means there's a permissions or browser issue, and in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest steps to get Facebook working again, and I'll also show you a few extra checks that can save you a lot of time. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy fixes just like this. Now, let's jump right in. The first thing to do is refresh the page by pressing F5 or using the reload button in your browser. Sometimes the error is temporary, and a simple refresh is enough to clear it. If that does not work, log out of your Facebook account completely, then log back in and try again. This can reset the session and fix small authentication glitches. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. To do that, open your browser settings, go to Privacy, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Cached files and cookies can become outdated or corrupted, and that can trigger error code 200 when Facebook tries to load the page. After clearing the data, close the browser fully and open it again before testing Facebook one more time. If the issue is still there, try opening Facebook in Incognito or private mode. This is a great way to check whether the problem is being caused by something stored in your normal browser profile. If Facebook works in private mode, then the issue is probably related to your browser data or extensions. That brings us to the next step: disable browser extensions, especially VPNs, ad blockers, and privacy tools. These can interfere with Facebook's scripts and permissions, which may cause error code 200 to appear. Turn them off one by one, then refresh Facebook and see if the problem is gone. If you're using Facebook Pages, Business Manager, or any other admin tools, you should also check your account permissions. Error code 200 can happen when the app or browser no longer has the right access to the account, page, or business asset you're trying to use. Make sure you're signed into the correct account and that you still have permission to access the feature. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check that you're not logged into the wrong one by mistake. In many cases, just clearing the browser, disabling extensions, or signing into the correct account solves the problem right away. If you've tried all of these steps and Facebook still shows error code 200, try switching to a different browser or device to see if the issue is specific to your current setup. That can help you narrow down whether the problem is with Facebook itself or with your browser environment. So to quickly recap, refresh the page, log out and back in, clear cache and cookies, use incognito mode, disable extensions, and check account permissions. Follow those steps in order, and you'll have the best chance of fixing Facebook error code 200 fast. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Facebook troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.